All right, so walk me through it again.
Okay, what you're going to do is just go out. The first cone doesn't count, so we don't count that as part of the 5. So go through the double gated cones about 18 to 20 miles an hour.
Yep.
And then as you start to approach the big cone, have your hand over here like that, okay?
Yeah.
And as you start to approach the big cone, ease off the gas a little bit, turn the wheel to help the car turn, and then pull on the drift stick. You don't have to pull that hard.
Yeah.
Okay. And then as the car starts to come around, let go of the drift stick and give the car some gas.
All right. And where does the wheel go then?
Okay. Well, what's going to happen is the wheel, you'll pull it over that way, then it'll just center.
It'll do it on its own.
Yeah, it'll help center itself.
So the last group, they were steering in the other direction too to straighten the car out.
And well, you know, you'll have to. It'll pull it this way and then back to the center.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It'll be natural. Once you get out there, you'll feel it.
All right.
All right. Hang on just a second. All right. Just get up enough speed, about 18 to 20. Because if you go too slow, nothing happens. You got to get it going fast enough so you can get it to swing around. All right, off you go.
Oh, nice. So he's turning too early, right?
Yeah, we're going to wait till you get up to the cone. Hang on just a second. We'll get Justin to put up the cones and we'll be ready to go.
If you say so. I stalled out twice. I stalled out twice. Actually, the drifting was okay, but I don't know why the car was stopping. Like I was dying.
Well,
was I not giving enough in?
Well, what you weren't carrying enough speed into it. And then, right, when the car starts to come around, give it some gas.
Okay.
Okay, and that'll kind of institute the slide. pull itself out.
And then what happens if it oversteers? Like if it goes too far?
Okay, well, if it goes too far, just counter steer.
Okay.
A little bit. There you go. Kind of like that.
Okay.
But if you don't get going fast enough, it's hard to get it to slide.
Yeah.
You know, so about 18 to 20 is a good speed.
Well, I felt the slide every corner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I bet you if you would have given it some gas,
yeah.
then it would have helped to pull itself out.
Okay.
The first one's always the toughest.
Yeah.
And everybody always struggles the first time.
Yeah.
Because you just don't quite feel it, and then all of the steps you have to go through.
Yeah, there's a lot to think about, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. Now
Okay.
he's getting it.
Yeah.
He's feeling a little bit better now. All right, there we go. That's better. Now we're getting the hang of this thing. Yeah, we're good. All right, have fun.
All right.
You gotta just make sure you carry enough speed into it.
Into it?
Yeah, you gotta carry about, 18, 20 miles an hour, something like that. And then when it comes around, then start giving it some gas.
All right.
Yeah.
I was hitting maybe 25 into it this time.
Well, it seems slower than that.
Oh, yeah?
But standing here.
Yeah. The first couple were slower, but then it just...
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Maybe I missed the last ones. The first time's always the hardest. Then the second time it's a little bit better. And then the third time you get a little bit more confidence.
Yeah. It's kind of fun.
If you spent a few hours out here, you'd be an expert at this. All right. Have fun. Always feel sorry for the poor people that have to wash these at the end of the day.
That's not you, right?
No, thank goodness. Don't say that too loudly. There we go. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. There we go. We got windshield wipers going now. No, that was a little too late. He's worried about the wipers now.
Yeah. That could throw you off, right? Oh, there it is.
All righty, way you go. running.
Okay.
There you go, a little better.
Yeah, that was fine.
That was fun.